Hello and welcome to oneHOWTO. In today's salsa class we will learn the front double cross. The front double cross is very easy. The leg which remains on the ground must always be slightly flexed, while the other leg will have no weight and make the crossing motion. Cross once, move back, and cross again. This is the double cross. 1, 2, 3. Always on the third step, we change weight to the other leg. Start 1, 2, then change the weight on 3. Double cross with the opposite leg on 4, then 5, 6, 7, and transition on 8. Repeat with everything together, so it would be 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. It is very important to do this maneuver with a flexed leg, otherwise we would not be able to lift the other leg without losing balance. The foot you use to point, you do with not only the tip, but with the whole ball of your foot, like so. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. The arms will always be going the other direction. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Thank you very much for watching this salsa video. For more classes and tutorials, head on over to our channel and subscribe. See you next time.